Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can verify your account on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your smartphone. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials and you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you haven't already verified your identity, then you will see the Verify Now button right on the home page. You can tap on this to start the verification process. Just choose your country or your region of residence. Then tap on the checkbox and then press confirm. You will now be shown the steps that you will need to complete in order to verify your account. The first step is to provide the proof of identity. Tap on the verify button and you may choose your passport, your driver's license, your identification card, or your residence permit. The passport is recommended by default, but you can choose whichever you wish and then tap on the confirm button. You will now need to provide access to your camera. Tap on the allow button while using the app. You will now be asked to choose your region and continue forward. Now this will open up your phone camera, from which you can simply click the picture of the mentioned page within your document. Once you have provided the pictures, it will be uploaded to the server and the verification process will begin. Once it is completed, you will need to complete the identity assessment as well. Once both of these verification process is completed, your account will officially be verified and you can now begin trading using the Bybit platform right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.